Yo, people are asking about this. Gonna drop this t-shirt December 10th. Anybody wants to get notified right away when this shirt drops, just text bugs to my number right here. It's 303-529-6327. Literally just text bugs to that number. You'll get a text message as soon as it drops. You can also text that number just to say what's up to me. It's literally like my phone number. You guys can see all the different. Right now, I got a lot of text messages I need to go through, but a lot of bugs is Henry Ramirez. Look, so this is just so I can show you guys. This is actually pretty cool that I'm able to. It's a lot easier than like DMs. There's so many messages. So Henry said, bro, let me cop the Bugs Bunny Sneaker Life shirt. Bro, let me cop the Bugs Bunny Sneaker Life shirt. And I just told him coming December 10th. So lit. Basically in other news, boom. You guys can see right here, a really dope pickup. Wow. This was sent to me from Jordan Brand. Like that is absolutely crazy, man. Anytime I get any shoes, I still just feel like, wow. Like, whoa. Damn, like what is life, bro? You know what I'm saying? Like it's actually incredible. I'm still mind blown. It's just, I don't know, you just follow your passion and brands recognize it and show love. So that's really cool. And you know, rest in peace to Virgil. I had no idea that he even had cancer, and just to get that notification saying that he passed away was, one, honestly heartbreaking, and number two, just like, yo, again, what is life? Sad that circumstances like this come around and really make you like kind of put everything into perspective of like what life is. Like, what are you doing day to day? Like, are you chasing your passions? Are you doing what you want to do with life because it is so short? I think one thing that really kicked me into gear was just kind of listening to what Steve Jobs said before he died. You know, there's really no amount of wealth or money or any of that that truly matters. And us specifically being in this whole sneaker niche or, you know, materialistic niche, this is fun. I love it. I feel like my life today is exactly what I thought it would be in high school, and I truly manifested where I'm at, right? And I'm gonna continue to do so. Also makes you realize to make time for people that you love and enjoy your time with friends and being social and just enjoying what life has to offer. That's my message today. I know I haven't been uploading this frequently as I truly want to. I've been so tied up in like crypto and NFTs, and I'm gonna definitely make videos for you guys on that because I think we're living in a time right now that I'll never see again. So besides shoes, man, I would say crypto and technology are my other favorite things, and that's what I'm bringing on this channel. I'm gonna do NFT content, I'm gonna do sneaker content, and I'm gonna do tech reviews, man. I really started YouTube to do tech. I know I'm blabbing, but you know, it's a little pickup, bro. I feel like I truly miss the days of like the innocence of getting sneakers and like that true passion and joy. This is obviously a job for me, but I remember just being younger, like not even younger, just years ago, you know, you buy shoes and you just sit and talk about them and the true passion behind them. So this is insane, number one, like peep these. Now, if you guys don't understand or know the concept behind this is basically, you know, back in 1986, the Jordan 2 was that first kind of like luxurious, very detailed sneaker. You have that really nice leather on it. I feel like never caught on anything crazy. Jordan did wear them. There was never that extreme hype for Jordan 2s. Uncle Kyle with the fire visuals, he loves Jordan 2s. He actually has an original pair. I don't know exactly where he got them. I don't know if I got them for him or I don't know what the situation is, but I know that as he was wearing them, and that was probably like this year, his sole ended up tearing off. It's the original high top of this. And yeah, basically what they did was have Virgil take over, and you guys know how Virgil does, adding his deconstruction. But basically what Virgil had in his head was, okay, if I was to go in a time machine and grab these and bring them here, what exactly would they look like? So they essentially reverse engineered them, which is really dope. I mean, even down to like the packaging, I'd like to know more, like why is this specifically clear? Like, is it because, you know, over time, I don't know. I don't even have any theories behind that, but the whole presentation of this is super dope. And I'm gonna take the other shoe out. Like what? You have two separate bags wrapped with the shoes. You got the cream laces, obviously the tag right here, right? Signed, actually, yeah, so they're both sides are signed. This is supposed to be Michael Jordan's signature. You have the off-white Nike, Beaverton, Oregon, and honestly great quality. These are actually really heavy, and we have that kind of deconstructed sock liner, a lot of cushioning on the inside, but oh, I didn't even realize that. So the cushioning almost feels like memory foam. Like it doesn't feel like your typical kind of like plush inner mesh that Jordans usually have, if that makes sense. So this is actually a size 12. Huge shout out to the homie Sobe, shout out to Jordan Brand. What I think is really funny is just how we went from like no creases to keeping your shoes as clean as possible, that brand new pair of kicks, to in today's age we're like reverse engineering sneakers to look yellow, look vintage. That's just kind of the wave. And you guys can see on the midsole here, it's basically supposed to mimic some cracking. The way they did it was really interesting. Like on the inner right here, you can see that's supposed to represent some type of cracking, and it looks cool. I mean, these are cool. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, these coming from Jordan Brand, the whole Virgil situation, this might be a sneaker that I do a review on, put them on, but besides that, it wasn't really the camera angle that I want, but besides that, I think these bad boys have a place. Like, they're going to stay in the sneaker containers and just kind of be that collection piece. I don't think I'll really wear these. Honestly, I'm lying. I'm definitely for sure gonna wear these, but man, at the same time, it's like, like I'm so happy. Obviously I got them for free, I got them gifted, and it's like getting a piece of art. I truly, guys, I love art. I can't wait for my 2 new art pieces that I got to arrive. I'm gonna change my office one more time just to be able to hang them up. But a lot of sneakers, man, especially like in recent years, have just kind of been, probably more so just because I don't go anywhere, but I have like all these Kobe's over here, you know, and I have a personal pair to wear and hoop in, and then I just have another pair just to keep. Like, it's literally just an art piece for me. Same goes with the All-Star. Same goes with the Off-White 5s, but you know, I have actually worn these, so I think, or maybe not. No, I have 2 pairs of these. Sick, man. I'm truly sick with this sneaker stuff. I know we're just different. We built different. Like, you truly got to have one to rock and one just to, not even stock, just to stare at, like, ooh, that's beautiful. And I just feel like there's some shoes that are honestly just so limited and presentation and what went into that sneaker, that it's more than just your, oh, we wear our sneakers kind of thing. It's like, no, this is way more than that. This is literally a piece of art. So let me know if you guys agree with my logic. Am I tweaking right now? You would definitely wear these if you got them? Nothing like, oh, I'm never gonna wear, I don't want to wear those because blah blah. You know what I'm saying? Maybe you know what I'm saying. Jesus, I have a lot of pickups, man. I need to start going somewhere. The world is crazy right now, bro. You can't even like wear nice stuff out because people are trying to rob you left and right. How ironic is that? It's like we all work so hard for things and then other people just want to take them. Like, what? It's crazy. It really is. I hope you guys are doing well. I think I want to do an office tour, just kind of a breakdown of what I have in my office. I just need to create some videos, man. That's it. Like, I have ideas on ideas on ideas. I just need that consistency. And for you guys that are watching, I know a lot of you are like, oh, which I totally appreciate. You're like, Mike, you're underrated. Or you say, damn, this channel has died. What happened? And in reality, bro, it just comes down to consistency. If you want to be successful on YouTube, you need to be somewhat consistent. And I am not consistent at all, just because I have so many different things going on. I don't necessarily personally rely all on YouTube, but you know, it is my job. I feel like now I'm just a creator, which is really cool. But yeah, man, that's just to answer that question. And you know, clearly I appreciate when brands send me this kind of stuff, because clearly they must value me some type of way, or respect the quality of content that I put out. You know, it's not about having the most followers or all the clout and all the likes and all the views. It's truly about networking, who you know, and just being a good creator. So I want a lot of you guys to know that if you're on any type of journey of creation, you don't need to have the best product or the most likes or the most clout to be successful, man. You just need to create freely and truly enjoy what you're doing. So I hope this video had some small little gems in it, man. These are just things that were on my mind that I wanted to talk about, as well as being able to have gotten these. I honestly do want to put them on right now, man. I gotta run to the store. I'm about to make some chicken wings right now. Maybe I should just throw these on for no reason. All right, man. Well, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Run it.